Locate the broil burner assembly inside the unit. Remove the 4 screws under the broil burner assembly with a screwdriver. Remove the broil burner assembly from the unit. Remove the 16 screws from the back of the unit with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the back panel. You need to push in the top part to release it from the unit. Wear gloves when handling the panel. Don't pull the panel away from the unit because the power cable is still connected to it. Just lay the panel on the floor. Locate the broiler igniter plug on the back of the unit. Unplug the broiler igniter. Unscrew the 2 screws on the broiler igniter to remove it. Use a pair of pliers and a screwdriver to remove it. Remove the broiler igniter from the unit. Replace the old broiler igniter with the new one. Secure the broiler igniter to the unit with the screw and bolt from earlier. Use a screwdriver and pair of pliers to secure it. Plug in the broiler igniter to the unit. Slide the broil burner assembly back into the unit. Secure it to the unit with the 4 screws from earlier. Don't forget to attach the metal piece with the 2 screws in the middle of the assembly. Now you're going to replace the baking igniter. On the bottom of the oven, locate the 2 screws at the back. Remove them with a screwdriver. Remove the cover and set it aside for later. Locate the 4 screws on the bake burner assembly cover and remove them. Set the cover aside for later. Locate the 2 screws on the bake burner assembly and remove them. Locate the baking igniter plug on the back of the unit. Unplug the bake igniter. Carefully pull out the baking burner assembly. Unplug the thermostat to make the replacement easier. Unscrew the 2 screws on the bake igniter to remove it. Use a pair of pliers and a screwdriver to remove it. Remove the bake igniter from the unit. Replace the old bake igniter with the new one. Secure the bake igniter to the unit with the screw and bolt from earlier. Use a screwdriver and pair of pliers to secure it. Slide the bake burner assembly back into the unit and plug in the thermostat. Plug in the bake igniter to the unit. Secure the bake burner assembly to the unit with the 2 screws from earlier. Secure the bake burner assembly cover with the 4 screws from earlier. Place the cover back onto the unit and secure it with the 2 screws from earlier. Place the back panel back onto the unit. Wear gloves when handling. Secure it to the unit with the 16 screws from earlier.